Hey guys, we're just checking back in from the video earlier there. We wanted to show you what we kind of meant. So as you can see, most of the drift cars, they cut everything out here so you can actually see what's going on for your angle kits and your suspension, how it's working. Just makes everything better for a drift car. So basically this kind of just shows you a rough cut, how everything is. Then you can see everything, how it all works. So you can see how clean the car is. And yeah, I'll show you this side too. So we had pulled the harness back through. It's all just here right now, but it comes up through. And then it'll come along. We'll make our own brackets for everything. And yeah, you can just see, you guys can do this stuff at home, right? So rough cut. Looks real good. So same as Jamers. The only thing that we haven't decided if we want to do yet is if we're going to cut the rest off and then tube it, or if we're gonna leave this for now. The structure's still there, like you can't move it. Like
we might even rock it for
that's
now,
the whole car, right?
Just to easily put the lights on.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So but
it's gonna get so deep I'm not gonna have any money to do it.
yeah, well that's why we're gonna do this. We're gonna Chad's got his idea for his angle kit. So like on the Trans Am, it's kind of the same idea, but we're just gonna cut an inch out of the knuckle for the TA just to get us going. But Chad's got this good idea he's seen, and
I think I can do it myself. Yeah, I seen they're like a $400 kit, American, so Canadians too much. Anyways,
yeah, so
I can make it myself.
We can make it all ourselves. We have everything
like
here.
My own concept that I'm gonna do. So
yeah,
there's like a backing shield bolt in here.
Yeah,
it's like a 12 mm bolt.
Okay.
It bolts in through this way, but you can tread in through this way.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna pop that out.
Yeah.
We're gonna have this come down. Like I'm gonna cut this in half.
Okay.
It's gonna be hooked in here.
Yeah. So the bolt goes up inside.
So the bolt's gonna go through this.
Yeah.
Into where it's already got a casting spot. There's gonna be another bolt hole through here.
To hold
that
on
bolts
to
it where the old tie rod went.
Yeah.
Because with this car lowered, this is the angle that it actually sits at when it's on the ground.
Exactly.
It's really angled, like well, it's when it's down, it's the other way. But anyways,
so by doing that, you're gonna bring the tie rod.
You're gonna bring the tie rods more level with it when it's down, when the weight's on it.
Exactly.
That motor's heavy as hell. So then the heim joints are gonna come in here and be bolted in further back.
Yeah.
And then.
So that's what you want to do. So when you make an angle kit, the further back, the farther it'll push the wheel out.
Out. Right.
So,
and then we're gonna put a little spacer in between here too.
Yeah.
On each side.
Yeah. So
where those go on, you can space it because they're really long. How far they go in. So you can space them a bit there. You can get this kind of homemade. It's gonna look so much better when I actually build
Oh
it.
yeah, we're just trying to explain.
But yeah, so it's gonna be awesome. I know it's gonna work so good because this thing steers like shit. So it steers like a boat.
Well, it's just like my F body. It doesn't steer very well either.
I'd say
so
your F body would steer better than this, guaranteed.
It'll be close. You can see right there with the angle.
Oh, it's like maxed out.
Stock angle. Out? Yeah, and that's the trailing one. So this is.
That's.
Yeah. We'll get an extra 30 degrees.
Oh, it's gonna be fire, man. We're gonna have to cut the arm and the back.
Too badass. But we'll fit everything. You know what I mean?
I'll probably have to put wheel spacers as much as I don't like them. I'll probably have to because those rims.
You can
are
see
so
how
wide.
clean the car is, though. Like the car's, what'd you say, Florida car?
Florida, yeah. It came from Florida.
So it's a beautiful car. Just get fresh paint. Get this cleaned up. Chad can't figure out the color he wants yet. We're thinking black on black on black, but then it would be nice to accent something because we got the turbo. So. And,
turbo, the intake. I don't know.
Yeah.
Had so many colors, just black and black, right? Black and black.
But yeah, so we just wanted to get you guys caught up on the build there. So this is how easy it is to do this stuff at home. So your 240, your RX-7, your Supras, everything. You can do this all at home. You can do the angle kits. You can do the front ends. As long as you get a welder and a guy that knows what he's doing.
And we're gonna start doing more like time lapse of us building stuff.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
When I make this angle kit, we're gonna record the whole thing and then we'll.
Yeah, exactly. Like even cutting this, I wanted to get it.
We do everything ourselves pretty much.
Yeah.
Like, except aluminum welding.
Yeah, Mike. We get Mike doing that, but I mean I'm getting into it. Mike's got his TIG welder. He wants to upgrade, but we're probably gonna buy it. I'm just starting getting used to it, and then Chad's gonna get used to it. You know what I mean?
Same way we learned on the MIG.
Yeah, just like anything. So. But all right, guys. So,
yeah. I got the sound deadening up.
Oh yeah. We wanted to show you that too. I forgot.
I was ripping out a bunch of weight in there.
Yeah. So we started taking sound in, and you can see how much weight's there.
All the seat belts, because I got hurt.
It's not even halfway down now. So, but yeah, the car looks. You know what I mean? You guys can see how clean the car is.
Well, it's somebody tried to steal it.
Yeah,
also,
I know
so,
with
yeah,
this,
everything's
but
all
that's
ripped apart there. But
that's
anyways,
not a big deal.
We'll
right?
get that patched back up. It's part of the reason why I gave up on the car.
Yeah.
It's been broken into 2 times and
Well,
ripped apart. And
well, Murray's back, so you ain't giving up on it, lad.
Yeah. Got my motivation back.
Yes, sir. So,
So.
okay, guys, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one.
Awesome.